Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To take the blade off, place it perpendicular to the arm and push. Insert it into the metal cylinder of the arm, then flip it so that it is like an extension of the arm itself. Delicately place it down onto the windscreen. Lift the windscreen wiper, then turn the blade 45 degrees. With the thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Position the new wiper so that the small fixing bar is located in front of the hollow used to house the wiper. Apply pressure towards you to reclip the new rubber wiper. You will hear a little click when it locks into place. Operation completed.